Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate how to use hashtag symbol as universal selector in CSS selectors. So let's get started. For practical demonstration, I am going to take you to a sample application page for which I need to first open the browser and then type the sample application page URL which is on my name, that is my first name Arun, last name Moturi, dot github.io. When I press enter, you will be taken to this sample application page. Now right click on the blank area of this page and select inspect option. Then you are going to get the Google Chrome DevTools, expand all the HTML code under the Google Chrome DevTools. Now on the right side, click on this double arrow and select Selector Sub. Right? Now here I'm going to demonstrate how to use this hashtag as universal selector in CS selectors. Okay. So if I directly type hashtag symbol, okay, this is a CSS selector locator guys. Okay. When I type hashtag here, this hashtag is nothing but the CS selector locator. So using this hashtag as a CS selector locator, when I press enter, the CS selector locator is locating all the elements on the page. By default, the hashtag symbol, when used as a CS selector locator, will locate all the elements on the page. Here, how many elements on the page are there? Here the count is coming as 6. How? For each and every tag, it is getting located. You see, HTML tag, CSS is equal to 1. Selector sub is adding the CSS is equal to 1, attribute and value guys, to state that, this selector sub is locating this particular element. Okay, so HTML tag is getting located. Again, if you go to the head tag, CSS is equal to 2. Another element located by the selector sub using this CS selector locator, head tag is also getting located. Here also can see HTML, head, title, all the tags of this page are getting located. HTML, head, title, body, paragraph 1, paragraph 2. Total how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 are there. 2 paragraphs, right? So 6. 4 plus 2, 6. So all the 6 elements on the page are getting located. Okay. If you go to any complex page and type this hashtag symbol, all the elements on the page will get located, guys. Okay. Whatever the number of tags in the HTML code of the page or how many elements on the page get located. So hashtag will act like universal selector. So it will locate all the elements on the page. I'm going to give you more examples, guys, how to use hashtag in CS selectors. For example, I want to locate the any element on the page which is having the ID as para1. Tag doesn't matter. Okay, the element on the page should have the ID as para1. It can be paragraph tag, it can be some select tag, it can be any type of HTML tag, but attribute name should be ID and its value should be para1. How to write that? Generally, we write like this, right? Square bracket ID is equal to para1. Like this, we'll write, right? In CS selector. Press enter, it will locate the paragraph which is having the ID as para1. Okay, here we are not specifying the tag name. This is also correct. Or in place of not specifying the tag name, you can also specify hashtag symbol, which is also same. Okay. Without specifying the hashtag symbol is also same. Or by specifying the hashtag symbol also same. Any tag, element having any tag, having the ID attribute value as para1 will get located, which is the same result again. Okay. Which is the same result again. Whether you use this or not is optional here. Okay. Without that also it's working the same manner. With hashtag symbol also it's working in the same manner. Okay. It's locating the same paragraph element on the page. Fine. So this is one example. Let me give you some examples here. Otherwise, examples that whatever the, okay, examples I am taking. Just give me a second. Okay. 1 minute. Examples. First one was just asterisk symbol. Now the next one was hashtag square bracket ID is equal to para1. Okay. Done. Next. Let me give a few more examples. Let me give few more examples here. For example, I want to locate, okay, all the elements under the body tag. All the elements under the body tag I want to locate. So how to write the relative CS selector locator for locating the body tag first? Just type body. It will locate the body tag. You see? The body tag got located. Body tag got located. Now under the body tag, I want to locate all the elements. Greater than symbol, hashtag. If you give hashtag means any tag. So all the elements having any type of tags will get located, guys, under the body. Any elements are there having any type of tags will get located. Press enter. How many elements are coming? 2 elements, which are nothing but 2 paragraphs. Under the body tag, there are 2 children paragraph tags. They are getting located. Okay, this is another example. So this is another example. Next. So next is I want to locate all the elements under the HTML tag. Let's see how to do that. HTML greater than hashtag. How many will get located? HTML greater than located. Immediate children of the HTML will get located. Greater than means immediate child. Okay. HTML and this particular tag name should be related as children if you are using greater than in between the first tag name and second tag name. So 2 elements, that is head tag, body tag are getting located. Okay. These 2 elements, that is head tag is getting located, body tag is getting located. Okay. This is another example. Now what if I say HTML space not greater than space hashtag? Then what will get located, guys? Under the HTML, it can locate the children, immediate children, and grandchildren. Okay. So all the elements under the HTML tag will get located, guys. When I press enter, total 5 elements are getting located. So under the HTML, head tag is getting located, title tag is immediate child and grandchild. Both are getting located. Along with that, body tag and its grandchildren of the HTML, that is two paragraph tags, are also getting located. Okay. So like this also we can use hashtag symbol. So with these examples, hope you got an idea like how to use hashtag as a universal selector in CS selectors. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.